If you've never tried a juicy, cheesy, iconic Big Mac, it's just right if you want to start smaller.
Are you a person? Do you like tennis? No, tennis. No, tennis. No, tennis. Yes, tennis. Talk to Coach Johnson in room 229 about Tomah Parks and Rec tennis, summer tennis camp, and summer tournaments.
What's up, THS? This is Bo with the afternoon announcements. Hosts will be having a blood drive this summer on Monday, July 30th from 11 to 4 p.m. We are competing against Sparta High School for a trophy for the most donors this year, so come show your Tomah spirit and donate. Any senior athletes who have committed to playing a sport at the collegiate level must stop by the activities office to get information regarding the signing ceremony to be held at 7:45 a.m. on Friday, May 25th. If you're not interested in trying out for tennis, playing tennis, or getting better at tennis, this summer talk to Coach Johnson or grab information outside his room 229. Girls tennis in the fall is looking for a tennis manager. Boys tennis is looking for a tennis manager next spring. Please talk to Coach Johnson in room 225 if interested. Seniors, 2 new scholarships have been added to the Tomah Area School District website. Governor's Dairy Scholarship deadline is June 1st. Also, the Redfin Scholarship at $2,500 deadline is July 31st. See website for details. The Navy recruiter will be in the cafeteria during both lunches on Tuesday, May 22nd. Please stop by. Be sure to stop and check out the opportunities available to you through the Navy. And this has been Bo, signing off.